Hi, Ina here, and today, former Oppo sub-brand RealMe officially lands in the Philippines. About a month ago, Leia went to Jakarta, Indonesia for RealMe's launch to the Southeast Asian market, where they also introduced three of their devices, the RealMe 2, 2 Pro, and the RealMe C1. I'll leave a link above for Leia's first impressions, but now let's continue with today's unboxing and quick review of RealMe's entry-level device, the RealMe C1. The RealMe C1 comes in a simple white box that has a red stripe at the bottom with the company's logo on it. Opening the box, we have the SIM ejector, jelly case, and its quick guides. We then have the phone, which is wrapped in plastic, a micro USB cable, and the wall adapter. The unit we got came in black. I'm not gonna lie, at first I thought it had the glass back because of how shiny it was. Turns out it's just made out of polycarbonate plastic. Unlike glass-backed phones, the C1 isn't as much of a fingerprint magnet, but do remember to bring a microfiber cloth with you just in case. It has a metal frame, making it easy to hold even though it feels a little big on the hand. RealMe opted to skip fingerprint scanning with this one, so you won't find the fingerprint scanner at the back like most phones nowadays. Instead, you have other security options like the PIN and Face Unlock. It has a 6.2-inch HD plus IPS LCD display with a notch on top. It's almost bezel-less but has a pretty big chin, narrowing its screen-to-body ratio down to 88.8%. Its display is bright enough, but when you do dim it down, it really becomes dim. The power button is located at the right, while the volume rocker and SIM card slot are on the left. Its tray can carry 2 SIMs and a micro SD slot. At the bottom, you'll find the micro USB port, speaker grill, and the 3.5mm jack. While it does have a headphone jack, do remember that RealMe didn't include earphones with the C1. Now, let's talk about its cameras. The C1 is a 5-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.2 aperture. It's pretty decent, but its bokeh isn't that clean like other phones. It has dual shooters at the back with a 13-megapixel main camera with an f2.2 aperture and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, which are okay as well. The C1 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450, has 2GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage, which is expandable to 256GB. It runs on ColorOS 5.1 with Android 8.1 Oreo. While it does run smoothly for day-to-day apps like your social media sites, you would probably need to turn down the graphics while playing to get them running as smooth as possible. What's great is that it has a pretty big battery capacity at 4,230 mAh. This should probably last you a day and a half without charging, but do remember that it only charges via micro USB, so it might take a while. This entry-level device from RealMe seems to be a real steal for only 5,990 pesos. It is a good-looking device with a big battery. Watch out for our full review, and let's see what other phones RealMe has in store for the Philippine market in the next coming months. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Also, do visit our social media sites to get the latest updates on tech, and of course, unbox.ph for tech news and reviews. This is Ina. Bye!